Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be doing something exciting. I have not done this before, so we're going to be unboxing this nail foil decor kit by Makartt, and we're going to be reviewing it. So keep on watching. Okay, so this is how the kit comes in this really pretty box. And when you flip it over, you have the instructions, everything you need in order to work the gel and the foil and everything that comes inside. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna keep these instructions closed because I am going to follow them step by step just so that I can get the most out of this box and let you guys know my honest review. And if I recommend it to you guys. So when I purchased this, it was $24.99, and then I did get my discount, which now today when I checked it is $18.99 because everything is up to 40% off. And then when you use my code, the GEMS code, you also get an additional 25% off. So that's a steal, you guys. Look at all of these foils you get in here. You're gonna get both of these cases of 10, so you're gonna get 20 foils, and then you're gonna get the glue. So, and I was actually like, when I got this glue out, I was like, oh my gosh, this is a lot. So I was super excited for only paying $24 for all of this stuff. This glue, it lasts so long because you only need a little bit, and then I got 2 of them and they're big and full size. So yeah, I am super happy. So before I started, I went ahead and grabbed these Swatch Sticks, and then I polished them with just the most normal colors that people usually order. So I did the white, the black, the pink, and the nude. And if you like any of these colors, I will have them listed below. And now I'm just picking out which ones I think will look best on top of that base and show the best, so that I can show you guys, do these work? Does the gel work? Let's see. You guys, this foil right here, oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I want to make a set right now with it. Oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. I feel like it's gonna be when you make that set and everybody's like, how did you do that? Well, it's a foil. This one was a little bit harder to choose because there was so many that could go over a nude, but I always want to try out words and stuff just to make sure that it's all gonna stick on there and I'm still gonna be able to read that. And then look how much foil we get, you guys. That's amazing. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so for the instructions, step number 1 is to prep and clean the nail and apply a base coat, which I already did all of that, and I applied the color that I wanted with no top coat. I did not apply a top coat yet. I just wiped them with alcohol so that they weren't sticky or anything. So now we're on to step 2, which is to apply a thin layer of foil glue and to cure for 2 minutes. So I have I'll link the lamp down below, but it's the Sun UV lamp, and it has a 15, a 30, a 60, and then a 90, but the 90 is a low light and then a high light. So I'm gonna do the 60-second one twice. Okay, so the white is done and the other three are curing together. I'm already seeing something that happens to me with every gel foil glue that I have, and when I apply it on a white top coat or on a white base, for whatever reason it always turns yellow. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure if it's the white that I have or what, but see, when I flip it over it's white, and then when I flip it the other way it looks kind of yellow. So I don't really like to put white as my base when I do foils, just because for whatever reason it always turns yellow. Okay, and then a quick little tip that I learned just by scrolling through Instagram is when you're applying the foils, always be sure to cut a piece. You don't want to have that super long piece because it's just too much. So you're gonna cut it, and then if you saw, I'll show you again on the next one, but you always want to start from the side, never the middle. Otherwise it's just gonna crinkle, it's not gonna look right, it's not. So, and I used to start from the middle. I used to think that was the way to do it, like, you know, it's gonna come out how I want it, blah blah blah. Well, no, once I started putting it from the side to the other side, you guys, look at that. Okay, I'm impressed. I really am liking this gel glue, this foil glue. It looked so good. Oh my gosh. So now we're on to black, and here we go. You can do either way. I'm just gonna do this way, and then so we're gonna set it on the side like this, and we're gonna rub really like put some pressure on it, because you want to like rub that design into the nail, into the glue. So just rub, and then you want to go, like I said, side to side, not middle to side or anything like that, because it's not going to give you the best application. This has been my go-to way, and now I've just been trying out different foil gels, which, oh my gosh, look at that. That looks so good. So yeah, so I've just been trying out new foil gels, and I honestly think that Makartt is here to stay. I really like it. I have so far tried the Makartt, the it's called Dulce Nail Sprinkles. That one's actually really good too. And then I did try the eye gel one. That one's okay, but this Makartt one, like, it sticks so well. When I would use the Dulce nail sprinkles and the eye gel one, anytime I would try to like rub like this, the foil was already like popping off. It did not give like that stick to where I had to like pull it off. So I'm really loving this Makartt gel. It was worth the $24.99 for sure. And if you guys order either today or tomorrow, which is December 30th or 31st of 2020, you are gonna receive up to 40% off whatever the marked price is. So it's gonna be that price, which when I checked it was $18.99, and then if you use my code, the Gems Co, you'll get an additional 25% off. So you guys, this is a steal, and they have so many foils. Like, obviously this kit comes like this with these foils, but they have so many different foils. Like, I'm already ready to buy more. So yeah, so we're just gonna do this last one really quick, and then I'm gonna show you guys up close how they look. And yeah, that was my unboxing and my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure enjoyed trying this out and looking just to see, you know, how well this foil gel would work. And it's amazing, you guys. So highly recommend. I'm gonna just pop a top coat on really quick, and then I'll show you guys what they look like up close. so now I've applied the top coat and I'm just going to show you guys the close-up. This one is really cool looking. It's so fancy. I love it. I want to make a set with that one as well. And then this one too, like I love all of these foils, so I'm really excited to add them to my collection. And then the fact that the Makartt foil gel worked so well, you guys, look at this one. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It like kind of just like draws you in, like what is that? But it's flowers. It's so pretty. And then here, yes, you can read the words. So you guys gotta go and buy this. I'll have my link down below, my code, everything like that. I'll have everything linked down below for you guys so that you guys can get this as well and get it for a discount, like for sure. Definitely use my code. Look at all of these that come with it. So pretty. I just wanted to show you guys again up close what you'll be getting when you purchase this kit. And then you get these huge bottles. Look at this. They're the 15 ml. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and then be ready for another video coming soon. Bye guys.